Buongiorno, qui è Silvia, in arte Silvia Cryer, e oggi siamo al Tiny Kitchen Session.
The power goes out when the light goes up. Electric needles in my meat. Every schedule is done. No time for other option. You cannot appeal. Be in the dark. Mirror your of the wall. Mirror, 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 mirror. I was unsure as to where not to wear my glasses in the mirror, but now I see you and you, chef.